Hi guys, today, even though I love to show my face, I'm not going to today because I don't feel like I need to because I'm showing you all my slime. So I'm gonna set you up and yeah. So I'm sorry about the wobbles right now. I'm just trying to get you ready. Okay, you know what? Hold on. I have to get this ready. Okay. Hold on. Oh my god. So like I said, I'm doing a slime. The slime video, I'm just gonna hold it and I'm gonna open this and show you. So this for slime is a crunchy slime. You know what? I'm just gonna show my face. The reason why I didn't want to show is because I'm green. It's Halloween, guys. So that's the reason why. This slime is super fun to play with, especially because it's crunchy. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's popping. Okay, so this goes in this container I got from my friend, and the rest are in baggies. So I'm probably gonna add at least lotion to most of these in this video because they're not very stretchy. This one is not stretchy at all. I'm gonna show you what to do to make it stretchy. Jesus. That's a great angle. You're gonna take, first try to stretch it out as most as possible. Sorry for all the noise in the background. It's my siblings downstairs. And just take lotion and put it in the middle. And then just fold it like I'm doing. Okay, let me shut that door. Yeah, sorry, they're a little disturbing. At first it might start falling apart. That's what you want. Because that's how it comes into the slime, you know? Yeah, this slime is getting better by the second. I still hear them. It might not be picking up on camera, but if you hear that, comment down below. Even though the door is shut. Oh, you can't see the door, but the door is shut. And it might start to get sticky in the beginning. Don't worry, honey. It might be like how when you first made the slime, it gets better. Don't worry. Okay, so the next 3 slimes, including this one, I don't have that many, but they all look the same and they all act the same because I don't know why. I made them on the same. Okay, you probably guys can't take me seriously. It's Halloween. I'm not just. Hear that? That's it. I'm not just painting my face because I want to look creepy. It's Halloween, guys. And this slime is really tiny. I don't know why. But don't they all look the same? I want to bring it back so you can see it all. They all look the same. It's so annoying and weird. Because people are like, did you just split your slime up? And I'm like, no. I use the same glue. Maybe that's why. And I did them on the same day. But I did not make them together. Both of my friends made 2. And I made 1. And they were like, we're not allowed to have slime in my house. In their houses. Because they're sisters. In their house. So, they had to give me the slime. This slime I feel like needs a little more. Do you hear that? Or am I the only? You might not be able to hear that, but they're screaming. It's like a speaker. I want to hear you singing. Hey, mama, don't stress me. Okay, enough of this slime. This slime gets all the attention. Tomorrow I'm taking my first one, the one in the bag, or the container, to school for my field trip, and my phone, and yeah, maybe like a notebook, and yeah, that kind of stuff. This one is actually really good. Oh, I thought I had to put lotion in it, but no. But I want it still a little stretchier, because I love stretchy slime. So hopefully this doesn't ruin it. I'm like, okay. Hopefully it doesn't ruin it, but I need stretchy slime. Like, need it. I'm breathing so loudly right now. First it's gonna start like getting a mess. Don't worry. Don't worry. This is my last line, by the way. I know I don't have that many, but somehow my video is really long. Okay, now this slime I think is getting all the attention. Now it smells like, oh my god, that lotion stinks. That's why I don't get why it's called lotion. Hold on, I'm gonna make a bubble just for you guys. Oh my god, light just came in, so I'm gonna lower the light on here if I can. I don't think I did very well. So now I'm gonna make the bubble for you. For you to make a move. If I can with this one. This kind of move. A bubble. Let me try again. Last time. Then I'll end the video. Oops, sorry guys. Hold on, let me get it off my hand so I don't get slime on my phone. Jesus. There we go. Ready? No, hold on. That wasn't gonna work. I need to get ready. You guys might be ready, but this slime isn't ready. Sorry if it's shaking. I can't tell if it's shaking, but if it is, I'm really sorry. Kind of. Okay. Now I gotta end this. Bye. Make sure you comment. That's not on the camera. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Bye.